part 5 here. A little while later, it's still Friday, January 2nd, 2026. And it's coming along. I'm not drawing right this moment. We got some chirping going on. Let's walk around and say hi to my 2 foul studio assistants. That's FOWL, not FOUL, of course. Okay, I have friends and other viewers would like to say hi. There's Dr. Shi, the white and gray, and Prime Minister Mazel, the blue chest there. Hi guys, gals, boys, budgie wedgies. How we doing? Want to say hi? We like those chirps. We do. Yeah, good work, good work. All right. It's Shabbat approaching. Yeah. Everybody gets a good night's sleep. Oh, there we go. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Toda rabah. Jan2, gracias, grazie. Ta. That covers all lingos I can think of. On tanks, as they used to say in Brooklyn. A long time ago. All right. So I got a lot to do here yet. Oh boy. Okay, I'm going to turn this off in 6 seconds, at 2 minutes exactly. There we go. Ciao.